Flowers are blooming, colors are becoming more vibrant, and the air is filled with a fresh scent of spring. But one invasive species is gaining traction and is threatening mid-Michigan's springtime sights and smells. Carolyn Miller, volunteer at the Eaton Conservation District, is a mid-Michigan native trying to get rid of a non-native and invasive plant species called Ficaria verna, or more commonly known as lesser celandine.
Spring is very special with all our native plants and our spring ephemerals, and that has my heart. And to see it get smothered by this invasive plant, it's sad.
Miller says lesser celandine started emerging about 2 months ago, even though she's seen it around since 2016. It has a yellow flower, leaves about the size of a $50, and loves to grow in lowland, wet areas.
We know it's along the Grand River, so we're just trying to find those pockets, and if we can try to control it, and it further prevent it from spreading further down the river.
According to Miller, the biggest reason why she wants to get rid of this invasive plant is because it ends up covering up and preventing any new native plants from growing.
It makes a complete blanket, and it prevents our native species from actually coming up. And there's no food source in it whatsoever for our native insects, so to speak, or our other native fauna as well.
And so she's taking the job of fighting back the invasive species into her own hands, literally.
So I have my applicator's license, but right now the magic percentage of glyphosate is 1 to 3%. Anything more will burn the plant. It'll burn the leaves, but the tuber still stays strong and just comes right back again. I'm having excellent results with just a 3%. 2 to 3% glyphosate solution.
Miller recommends to not try to take care of this plant yourself. If you or someone you know has seen Ficaria verna, the Mid-Michigan Cooperative Invasive Species Management Area asks you to contact the Midwest Invasive Species Information Network, or MISIN. You can report it at www.misin.msu.edu. Here for now in Lansing, Rae Sherman, 6 News.